Okay, those were 6 raw hamburger patties. Now I'm coming in with 2 cans of my country style baked beans, and we're gonna put that right on top of our patties. I do wanna note I used the lean ground beef. It's about 93%, and we're just making sure that we get those cans nice and emptied out. I love the country style because it has a little bit of bacon in it. Make sure to smooth that out. This is gonna be a delicious dinner that you can enjoy for lunch or any occasion. So easy, all in one pan. I have some green bell pepper that I chopped up, and we are just sprinkling that right on top of our beans. This is gonna be so delicious. Who doesn't love burgers, beans, bell peppers? You can use whatever color bell pepper you like, but I just think green is kind of the best flavor for this style of recipe. Now you can't have burgers without onions, and I'm just using some diced onion. You can use whatever kind of cut of onion you like. This is just what you can buy at the store already pre-cut because I hate tearing up while I'm cooking. Cooking is a happy thing, so let's not cry while we're in the kitchen. Time to season this up. Those veggies need a nice little sprinkle of black pepper, but like I always say, season to your liking, adjust. Look at the ingredients and see what you think will go with the flavors. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with my garlic salt. Yes, we need a little saltiness, we need a little bit of garlic. So we're just sprinkling that right on top. Oh, the garlic smell is phenomenal. Next, I have my 10 strips of pre-cooked bacon that we are just gonna cut into our pan. You can keep them into slices, but I feel like if you cut them up into smaller pieces, they get better distributed. But I mean, you cannot go wrong with any kind of bacon at any time. You can use turkey bacon if you want it to be healthier. And same goes with the burger patties. You can use like a chicken patty or turkey patty if you're really worried about, health and fats. But we're gonna make sure that we get all of this bacon right into our pan and then kind of make sure we distribute it super quick and super easy. Oh, I am so excited. My mouth is already watering. This is gonna be great to just throw in the oven and let it cook and then enjoy. We are almost done here. I am adding my hickory smoked brown sugar barbecue sauce, and we don't need too much of this because those baked beans already have a lot of sauciness to them, but I love the Kinder's barbecue sauce, so I just wanted to add a nice little drizzle to this. But like I said, it's optional, but the more flavor for me, the better. This is gonna be barbecue, but from the oven. Our last ingredient is our sliced pepper jack. I have been on a pepper jack kick, so I wanted to make sure I added some pepper jack cheese, and we are going to add about 2 slices per patty because this package comes with 12 slices, and we might as well use all this cheese because what is a cheeseburger without cheese? That's just a burger, and that's no fun. But you can use whatever cheese you like. I just like the little kick that pepper jack goes, and I think that pepper jack tastes really well with baked beans. But this is kind of a cowboy style burger. You won't find this at any restaurant, which is why we're making it at home, and it is gonna be absolutely delicious. So we're just getting all of our cheese, using that whole package of the Walmart cheese. Walmart really came in clutch because sometimes the cheese slices only come with 8, so this is gonna be perfect. All right, so this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for 1 hour. Oh my, look how crispy and brown that cheese looks. It smells delicious, it looks delicious, and of course we need some buns. I have my brioche buns. You can toast yours if you want to, but I am a simple girl. We're gonna place our bun right onto our plate so it is ready to get our burger. Kind of cut that cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good. It's like baked cowboy beans, but on a burger. Leave that grease behind. Place it right on top of our bottom bun. Slide that spatula out. Ooh, this is gonna be good. It's so hot. Let's go ahead and cut it. Oh, it is perfectly cooked. Oh, I did it again. All right. That is so good. You guys are gonna absolutely love these.